If your dishwasher is leaking from the motor area, here are the 3 most probable causes. If the water is leaking specifically from the area around the motor shaft, it's likely the motor shaft seal is defective. Depending on your model, you may be able to replace just the shaft seal itself. Some manufacturers will require you to replace the impeller and seal together, while other manufacturers require an entirely new pump and motor assembly be installed. If you are unable to determine where the leak is specifically coming from, you may find it simpler to replace the entire pump and motor assembly to resolve the issue. Most dishwashers use a sump to collect the water that enters the pump. A damaged sump seal or pump gasket can also result in a water leak and will require the defective component to be replaced. To help identify a dishwasher base leak, we recommend using a drain pan floor mat that will divert any leaking water to the front of the appliance. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your appliance in our website search bar to find the specific replacement part that will fix your dishwasher.